Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ryobi edger blade. Disconnect the spark plug and wear gloves before starting. First, remove the spark plug wire and lay the edger on its side with the air filter up. Use a block to stop the blade from turning and loosen the axle nut. Keep parts organized and note blade orientation for reassembly to avoid mistakes. Start by locking the blade with a block of wood and loosening the axle nut with a socket. Remove the nut, washer, and any spacers carefully so nothing drops into the housing. Pull the blade straight off, noting the direction of the cutting edge and any washers. Inspect the blade adapter and spindle for damage, and clean crud before installing the new blade to ensure smooth operation and correct alignment. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more handy tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after a dusty yard job. It pairs surprisingly well with lawn care humor. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy extras like this, consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Slide the new blade onto the spindle with the cutting edge facing away from the engine and any stamped arrows aligned. Replace washers and spacers in the same order, then thread the axle nut by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten the nut snugly, then torque to the recommended spec if available, or ensure it is firm and secure. Spin the blade by hand to verify clearance, balance, and that nothing rubs before reconnecting the spark plug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.